Friends, welcome back. This is your host Vagayam from Sri Chhatrapati Shivaji Junior College, Devali Pravara. In the previous lecture, we have seen that both the policemen has left sergeant all alone and the sergeant is all alone. He walks on the stage and looking at the poster. He is thinking about the £100 and the promotion if he able to catch the escapee. At that time, he saw a ragged man appear to left and try to pass the sergeant quietly. But sergeant recognized the man and he see the man. Sergeant stopped the man and asked where he is going. On that, the man replies that he is a poor ballad singer and also tell the purpose of being there. He is there to sell some ballad to the seller, so he is there and try to move on. That the sergeant stop him once again and tell him that he is not permitted to go down the steps. The man blame his poverty on it. Then sergeant asked his identity. The man introduced himself as a Jimmy Walls, a ballad singer. The sergeant says that he is not familiar with the name, but the man says that he is very famous and popular in Ennis. Ennis is the name of a city. Sergeant asks why he is there. On that, the man replied him that assize. Assize means the court which sat interval in each county of England and Wales to administrate the civil and criminal law is there, so he might be earn some money by singing and selling the ballads. Sergeant asks him to leave the place. The man agrees and try to move toward the steps. Once again, the sergeant stop him and tell him no one will pass down the steps tonight. The man makes excuse that he is just going to sit on the top of the step and waiting for some seller to sell off the ballad, and he will earn some money, and with that money he will buy something for his supper. Supper means dinner. And also inform sergeant that the sailors are usually late night to going back to the ships, so he is there late. Sergeant asks him to leave the place, and once again he tells him that no one is allowed at the place tonight. The man is leaving the place, but before leaving the place he tried to recite some ballad song to the sergeant. But sergeant is not interested in the song and asks him to leave the place. Once again the man tried to sing the ballad of rich farmer's daughter and the Highland soldier. The sergeant asked him to stop all the things. The man wrap up his ballad and once again walks toward the step. On asking of sergeant, where are you going? The man replies he is just following the sergeant's order to leave the place. Sergeant asks him not to fool him, not to play with the words. The meaning of sergeant's word is to go back in the town, not toward the steps. On seeing that the man is not interested in going back to the town, sergeant held him by his shoulder and showed him the way to the town. At that time, the man is looking at the notice and point it and saying that he is just come to know why the sergeant is there, and also tell him that he knows the man. The man means the escapee for whom the sergeant is waiting for, and start leaving the place. After listening this, that Jimmy Walls, the man, is familiar with the escapee, the sergeant gets surprised and asks him to stop and come back. The man do not believe that the sergeant called him back. He also asks sergeant whether he wants that he should be get killed. That after listening this, the sergeant gets shocked. Why do the man is saying such things? The man also suggested the sergeant to leave the place along with him and not to think about the rewards and start leaving the place. The sergeant follows him and drag him back and asks the description of the escapee. The man tells the sergeant that he saw the escapee in his village in the county Clare. The escapee is very ace in all kinds of weapon and have a great physical strength. Sergeant gets surprised after listening the description of the escapee. Sergeant wants to know more about the escapee. The man tells him that the escapee killed a sergeant from Ballywagon. When listening this, the sergeant gets shocked. The man added that a policeman in Limburg also killed after the attack on a police barrack at Camelot. Sergeant get little scared. The man continues that you cannot trace him. Of man, where does he coming? Sergeant get more scared and says a whole troop of police required to catch the escapee. The man after sergeant to stay with the sergeant and help the sergeant to keep eyes on the escapee. Sergeant, before permitting the man to stay there, make sure whether the man really knows or recognizes the escapee. When the man replies affirmatively, the sergeant gets sure that now he will catch the escapee but become worried about the prize and reward. He thinks that the man maybe asks some part of reward for himself. The man assures sergeant that he is not interested in the reward. Then he only sergeant permits him to stay over there. The man asks sergeant to sit on the barrel and take some rest. The sergeant agreed and sit on the barrel. The man and the sergeant sit back to back, looking in the different direction. Sergeant admits that he get little scared after listening the description of the escapee. On this, the man lights up his pipe and offer the pipe to the sergeant and feel to a little relax. After getting the pipe, the sergeant smokes. While smoking, the sergeant open up in front of the man and he described how difficult and dangerous the job of being a policeman. There is no schedule of duty and there is no security of life and you have to run any time when you receive the order. The sergeant expressed the hardship of the job. On this, the man started singing a song. The man singing the song of Granuel. Granuel is a nickname of Grace O'Malley, a well-known historical figure of the 16th century of Irish folklore. On this, the man replies that he is singing to motivate himself because when he think about the escapee, he get little scared. The escapee may attack from anywhere. The sergeant asks him to keep the eyes. The man assures sergeant he is keeping the eyes not because of money of the reward, but he is doing so because his nature is very helpful and he helped the people when he saw someone in need. Sergeant motivates the man by patting his soldier and says God will definitely count his good deed. And sergeant permits the man to sing the song. The man sings a song of Old Granuel and the sergeant corrects the man for missing some lines. The man admits that he missed the line and also expressed his surprise for the lines are known by the sergeant. Sergeant says that man have to do lot of things against his wish. It means he indirectly indicate that he is in the police against his will. After listening this, the man tries to take sergeant to his young day with his friend. In short, he tried to recall his memories. The man asked sergeant for different songs. The sergeant admits he knows all the songs. Here, the man tries to connect the feelings of sergeant with his country or with his oneness. The man says that the escapee is same fellow like a sergeant who sings all the songs and enjoy the life as same as the sergeant could. Sergeant hears something, but it is only a dog. The man continues how strange it is that sergeant is going to arrest the man and try to emotionally get closer to the sergeant. Sergeant replies positively. He continues, if your friend asks you to join the movement of freedom of their country, what would he do? The sergeant says he might join the movement when he was young, but now he is in a police. The man now speaks about the mother. The mother has no idea about her child. What would he in the future? But the mother keeps loving her child without any acceptation. Over here, the man tries to arouse the feelings or patriotic feelings for the motherland, giving the example of mother, and he says that the escapee and the sergeant is the child of the same mother. Now the sergeant get fully involved in the thought that if he is not in the police today, he would definitely rebel like the escapee. And the situation might be same, but the person may be changed. It means he tried to say that if he join the freedom movements, he may be the rebel and the escapee, maybe the policeman. The situation might be vice versa. But he can't bear this thought. Meanwhile, the sergeant sees something and hold the man's hand. The man jump off the barrel to check what is it, but there is nothing. Sergeant says that he feels like there is boat with some friends of the escapee. The man says to the sergeant that when he was young, he must be on people's side. Sergeant replied that the time has passed now. In today, he is a policeman and have followed the law and his duty. But the man keep persisting that if the sergeant would not be a policeman, he definitely be a patriotic person like the granule. Once again, he tries to arouse the patriotic feeling in the sergeant. Now, sergeant asks the man to stop all the things what he is trying. The man says that there is still a feeling for the country. Now, sergeant get confused about his feeling and his duty and patriotism, and get down to the steps to avoid the man. The man recognized the conflict within the sergeant and start to sing a song in which he recalls his friend and asks where should we meet again. Sergeant asks to stop the singing. If he nods, he will going to arrest him. Now, instead of stopping the song, the man started singing loudly and appeals to his friend. Just give him a signal and he is ready to fight with his weapon for his country even in the night. Now the conflict within the sergeant become more severe, and in frustration he asks man to stop the singing. At this time sergeant hears sound of whistle. Sergeant become aware. He knows that it might be a signal for the escapee, and he become very sure that the man is not ballad singer and stand between the steps, and sergeant asks the man to reveal his identity. On this the man replies and disclose his real identity. He says that on this the man replies that he is the escapee for whom the sergeant is looking for. It means he reveals his real identity. The man take off his hat and wigs. The sergeant take it in his custody and looking it very carefully, because with the help of that the man fools him. The man also informed the sergeant that there is my friend in the boat who is waiting for him to take him to the safe place. Sergeant replies that the man deceived him very well. On this, the man replied he is a friend of Golanier and he asked permission from sergeant to leave the place, or otherwise he will use his force. Sergeant denies the permission. The man says that if he don't want to use his force or physical strength, that's why he tries to change the sergeant's minds with the word. At that time, the policeman X and the policeman B is approaching, and the man hide behind the barrel and request sergeant not to arrest him. Along with the policeman X and policeman B, he is also there. Along with the policeman X and policeman B is also there. Policeman X is very much sure about their arrangement. When the policeman X and the policeman B comes to sergeant, sergeant hides the wigs and the hat. On inquiring of the policeman B about coming of anyone on this side, sergeant took a long pause and replies negatively. The policeman B asked to stay with the sergeant, but sergeant says it is not necessary. Policeman B reminds sergeant that he is asked to come back with him. Policeman B is reminds the sergeant that he had asked him to come back with him. Sergeant says then why they should not stop there, because if they all stop together, they make a noise and the escapee become alert and could not turn to the place. So it is better that the sergeant stay all alone there and keep the eye on escapee. So policeman B agrees with the sergeant and offer him the lantern. Sergeant refused to keep the lantern and asked to take it with them. Policeman B says that it is very dark around and he might need the lantern, and he goes towards the barrel to keep the lantern. Sergeant once again asks him to take the lantern with him. Policeman B expressed that the lantern might give comfort to the sergeant. On saying this, he keeps the lantern on the barrel and flash it. On this action, sergeant gets angry and asks both policemen to leave the place along with the lantern. Sensing that the sergeant get angry, the policemen get out of the sight. After leaving the policeman, the man who is hiding behind the barrel came out, and both sergeant and the man stand looking at each other. Sergeant asked man to leave the place. The man asked sergeant for his belonging, the hats and the wigs. Sergeant hand over it to the man, and the man, while leaving the place, he thanked sergeant and promised to him to repay his debt. After the country get free and the man disappeared in the darkness. After disappearing the man, sergeant turned back to the audience and reading the poster, £100 rewards, and turned towards the audience, and once again he says, I wonder now I am as grateful as I think I am. And after this, the curtain.